Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy first day of Drugstore December to you. The background is not complete yet. There are still some pieces coming in, so it's a little bare back there, but bear with me, it will get better. So if you are not familiar with what Drugstore December is, I do this every year. I think I've been doing this for... how long has it been? Like 4 or 5 years now? It's something I've been doing annually for a while. And it's basically, I'm doing a video every single day of the week. So that's 5 videos a week for you, all drugstore and affordable themed. So if you love drugstore makeup and you love affordable makeup, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video coming out this month. I have a lot of great content planned and I'm super excited about it. Anyway, okay, today's video is all about transfer proof makeup. I wanted to share with you the best drugstore transfer proof makeup that I have ever tried. Now, when I think of transfer makeup that transfers, I should say, I think mainly of foundations and lipsticks. Those seem to be the main culprits that are usually the ones that transfer everywhere. So that's what I had in mind when I was putting this list together. So I'll share my most favorite foundations and my most favorite lipsticks with you if you are looking to avoid all that. I'm not editing out my flubs anymore. I just refuse to. This is who I am. Take it or leave it. Okay. First product I have to share with you is the Revlon Color Stay 24-Hour Foundation that does not transfer and it does not move throughout the day. It stays put. It's one of the best drugstore foundations I have ever tried. The shade range, from what I remember, was not so good on it. I haven't looked at it in a while though to see if they've changed it. Let me see. 43 shades. It's not the best, but it's not terrible either. So if you can find a shade match within this line, I do feel like it is one worth checking out, and I think you'd be really happy with the formula. Another one that I want to mention to you is NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This one has 45 shades to choose from, so a little bit more than the Revlon Color Stay line. This is one that I've talked about ever since it came out. It's a love of mine. This stuff is bulletproof, I'm telling you. It's waterproof, sweat proof. It's everything resistant proof. It's not going to move. So if you're looking for something like that, you would love this foundation. The only thing I will warn you is that it is very full coverage. You can sheer it out to keep the coverage light by mixing it in with a moisturizer or even just applying the smallest amount, but do keep in mind that it's a very pigmented formula. And I will tell you that when I was getting away from the fuller coverage foundations, that was how I tended to wear it, was by shearing it out, and I really loved how it looked by doing that. Another one I want to share with you is the CoverGirl Outlast Active 24-Hour Foundation. This is one that I have put through a very rigorous workout session, spinning. You can burn 400 to 600 calories in 1 hour spinning class. That is how intense that cardio workout is. And if you go back on my channel and you look at the video with the wear test after I had done that class and you see how immaculate this foundation is, it is sweat proof, it is waterproof, it is everything proof. It's another great one that will not transfer and will not move throughout the day. Another one I want to mention to you is the No. 7 Stay Perfect foundation. This is another one that will not transfer, will not move. It holds up beautifully throughout the day. And when I'm sharing reviews like this with you, just know that these products have worked for me. Each one of us is going to be different, so it's going to be dependent on your unique complexion, body chemistry, etc., how these foundations will perform on you too. So keep that in mind. But I am so sorry. That's why I like to offer a lot of different options when I'm making videos like this, so that you have a running list that you can try products from, and hopefully you'll find one that works within that list. The next one is the Soap & Glory Kick Butt Stay All Day Foundation. I love this stuff. I used it up. I have not repurchased it because I'm trying to use ones that I already have, but you better believe when I am done with a good majority of everything in my drawer right now, I'm going back and getting this foundation. I am hoping they do not discontinue it. Waterproof, sweat proof, transfer proof, everything proof. You have to try it if you have not. I know a lot of you have tried it based on recommendations that I've given on it in the past, and you've said how much you loved it, and I'm so happy because it's seriously one of the best. Let's talk about some lipsticks. Now, I just want you to know that every product that I'm mentioning within today's video is not all inclusive. I'm I'm absolutely omitting certain ones simply because I haven't tried them or because they didn't work for me. So if you have something that has worked for you that you've tried that I don't mention here today, feel free to mention it in the comments below, along with your skin type, your complexion, etc. It may help someone else who's reading that same comment. So just putting that out there. For lips, the first product that I want to share with you is the Flower Miracle Matte Lip. These are amazing. They dry down fully matte. They have a great shade range to choose from, and they do not move once you get them on your lips. And it's also a very comfortable formula to wear. It's not one that is super drying. I mean, it does dry down, but it doesn't make you feel like your lips are being sucked into your face. It's a very comfortable lipstick to wear. Another one that I want to mention to you is the Milani Amore matte lipstick line. This is one that is a very old favorite, but it's one that will not move, transfer, or get on anything else around you because it does dry down fully matte and it stays put. Another one that I don't think I've ever talked about this one on this channel, but I've been using it off camera for a couple years now, and it's really fantastic, is from a line called Karity. Now, you can't find this line in the drugstore, but you can go on their website, and the products are very inexpensive. And I want to say their liquid lipsticks are around $6 if I'm not mistaken, but this is their Liplock, and this is a fully matte, will dry down completely liquid lipstick, does not transfer, will not move, and looks gorgeous. And there are so many shades to choose from in this line also. It's a great formula. Highly recommend it if you have not checked them out before. Another one from a very inexpensive brand is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipsticks. These are enriched with vitamin E, so they are very comfortable to wear on the lips. They will not make your lips dry out, crack, bleed, and it's, again, another very comfortable formula to wear throughout the day. Absolutely love those. Rimmel's Provoca Lips. I don't have one to show you, unfortunately. I got rid of all mine, but this is one of the best lipsticks for not moving, for not transferring, for staying exactly where you put it, and it lasts for up to 16 hours if memory serves me right. But simply phenomenal lipstick and great shade range to choose from there also. Very inexpensive too. Another one is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. If you have not tried any of the Colourpop matte liquid lipsticks, these are amazing, amazing, amazing quality. Very creamy, very soft, but they don't move, they won't transfer, and they won't bleed. They're just lovely all the way around. That is everything I had to share with you for this video today. I cannot believe how many questions I have been receiving about transfer-proof makeup. So if that describes you, I hope that you found inspiration from this video, or that it maybe reminded you of a product used in the past that worked really well for you. And if there's a product that I did not mention here today that has worked extremely well and you want to share it with other people, feel free to do so in the comments below, because it does help others more than you might realize. Today is Ace's birthday. Happy birthday to my baby boy. I cannot believe he's 1 year old. What happened? 1 year old? 1 year old. We're having a celebration for him tonight, about an hour from now actually. So this video will probably be going up very late tonight. But anyway, I hope that you enjoy Drugstore December this month. I'm looking forward to all the videos I have planned out, and I hope that you will subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this and Drugstore December. See you tomorrow.